Welcome to kenkenaiworld, where you can explore groundbreaking AI technologies that boost productivity and creativity. In this video, I will guide you through how to quickly create a simple video using VideoGen AI.
Intrigued, she researched their value and learned about the booming market for rare coins. Investing her savings, she bought coins from various eras, each telling a story of its own. Over the years, her collection grew, and so did her knowledge. What began as a nostalgic venture transformed into a profitable investment, proving that passion and research can yield unexpected financial rewards.
Turn text, images, or ideas into professional videos without needing advanced video editing skills. Let's get started. So that you don't have to spend a lot of time searching for AI's homepage, I have attached the registration link in the video description. First, go to the VideoGen AI website. If you don't have an account, sign up by clicking the Sign Up button and filling in your personal details. After that, log into your account to start creating your video. Once you have logged in, you will see a library of pre-made video templates. VideoGen AI offers a wide range of video templates, from ads, product introductions, to training and educational videos. Choose the template that fits your needs. Don't worry, everything is easy to use. Now, you need to enter the script for your video. This can be an advertising message, presentation, or any content you want to share. Make sure your text is clear, concise, and easy to understand. VideoGen AI will use this text to automatically generate a video with matching voice and visuals. Next, you can select a voice for your video. VideoGen AI provides
Welcome to the future of video. VideoGen makes it easy for anyone to start creating.
Many different languages and choose different voices according to your needs. Click and listen to these voices to see which one is suitable for your video, then click to use. Next, you have options for language, frame rate, video speed, or you can upload your own video. If you don't know how to choose content or have no ideas for videos, you can also choose from available templates to create videos automatically and quickly. After entering the video topic, press enter to go to the prompt section automatically created for the video by AI VideoGen. Here you can choose the display styles for your video content. When you have finished setting up all the video content, click on the Create Video button. And just a few seconds later we have a complete video. You can also choose an avatar or images from the system's library to make your video more dynamic and engaging. Once you've entered the script and selected the elements, click the Preview button to see your video. If needed, you can edit the content, change scenes, add transitions, or adjust the voice. Make sure your video is polished and looks great. After the video is created, you can still edit the content of the video, from the content, caption, or upload videos that you find suitable to replace the previously created videos of AI according to your own ideas. Select background music, subtitles displayed in the video, change font and font size as you like. When you're satisfied with the video, simply click the Export Video button. The video will be created quickly, and you can download it in MP4 format. You can then share your video on platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or use it for personal purposes. After editing the content, we have a complete video in our own style. And also watch the video that we have completed in just a few minutes, guys.
In a bustling city, Clara discovered an old coin collection in her grandmother's attic. Intrigued, she researched their value and learned about the booming market for rare coins. Investing her savings, she bought coins from various eras, each telling a story of its own. Over the years, her collection grew, and so did her knowledge. What began as a nostalgic venture transformed into a profitable investment, proving that passion and research can yield unexpected financial rewards.
To download videos, you need to register for a monthly or yearly package to use many new features of VideoGen. That's it. You've now created a professional video in just a few simple steps with VideoGen AI. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and make sure to subscribe to kenkenaiworld to not miss out on more AI tutorials. Leave a comment below if you have any questions about VideoGen AI, and we'll be happy to help. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.